My club is Markhia Club. I came here so to select some boys for the club. We need especially Qatar player. If we didn't find any player from Qatar player, we need that boys born in Qatar or live here in Qatar about 5 years. So as to register them in our club.
Okay, so how about the training given at the club?
Football.
Okay, and how about the facilities there?
They are they are for the ages of 2004 and 2005 and 2003, 2002, 2001.
Okay.
We need these ages so as to register them in our club.
So were you able to select students from the School Olympics program? Does it help your club in finding the best students?
We find some boys, but not as we need. But some boys, we select some boys and written their names and their mobile so as to contact with their families so as to come to the club.
So how is the training given, the cost, expenses of the training and all?
Pardon?
The expenses of the training, is it provided by the club or the student have to pay? How is it?
No, the club is to pay, not the boys to pay. The club pays to the boys.
Okay, that's a good initiative actually. Thanks a lot and good luck with your hand.
Okay, thank you.